So in this lesson, we're going to talk about arithmetic sequences. So first, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive numbers is constant. So the common difference is going to be whatever number you're getting to get from one term to the next. So the common difference is the numerical difference. We're going to refer to this with the variable d between any two consecutive terms. Okay, so those are the two important vocab words. For some examples, the first ones, we're just going to identify whether it's arithmetic sequence or not, and if it is an arithmetic sequence, we're going to say the common difference, or the D. So the first example, you have 1, 5, 9, and 13. So from 1 to 5, we added 4. From 5 to 9, we added 4. And then from 9 to 13, we added 4. So the difference in the terms is consistent. It's all 4s. So yes, it is arithmetic. And our common difference, our D, would be 4, because that's what we were adding each time to get from one term to the next. So your next example, you have 1, 3, 5, and 8. So from 1 to 3, you add 2. From 3 to 5, you add 2. But from 5 to 8, you add 3. So therefore, in this one, the difference is not constant. Okay? You added 2, 2, and then a 3. So this one is not arithmetic. Those are just continuing the arithmetic sequence they already give you. So first identifying the D, the common difference, and then just continuing it. So from example 2, you have 5, 2, negative 1, negative 4. So from 5 to 2, you subtract 3. 2 to negative 1, subtract 3, negative 1 to negative 4, subtract 3. So my next term, I would take negative 4 minus 3, which gives me negative 7. Subtract 3 from that, you get negative 10. Subtract 3 from that, you get negative 13. And your next example is negative 8 to negative 2 to 4 to 10. So from negative 8 to negative 2, you are adding 6. Negative 2 to 4, you're adding 6. 4 to 10, adding 6. So the next term would be 10 plus 6, which is 16. 16 plus 6, which is 22. 22 plus 6, which is 28. Okay, so it's a to the n. The n is a little subscript n. And the formula is d, so that common difference, times n minus 1 plus a1. Again, the 1's a little subscript. So d is your common difference, which we've been talking about. It's whatever you are adding or subtracting to get term to term. N is going to be the term you want to find. So if I want to find the 19th term, my n would be 19. And then A1 is the first term in your sequence. So whatever that first term is, that's A1. Okay, so using that rule, they want you to write the rule. So that means writing the rule would leave n as n, and then they want you to find the 19th term. So for our first example, we have 7, 13, 19, 25. So first, my D, I'm from 7 to 13, 13 to 19, 19 to 25, I'm adding 6 each time. My A1, my first term is 7 in there. I would have a to the n equals 6 times n minus 1 plus 7. And then, of course, you want to simplify, so distributing, you'd have 6n minus 6 plus 7. And then combining like terms there at the end, I have two constants. So 6n equal plus 1. Okay, so there is my rule. Now I'm going to use that rule to do the second part, which is to find the 19th term. So a to the 19, that means I'm just going to sub 19 in for n. 6 times 19 plus 1 is going to give me 115. So my 19th term is 115. Okay, our last example, we have 30, 26, 22, 18. So in this example, my common difference is a negative 4. I'm subtracting 4 each time. A1 is 30. So subbing into my rule, I would have negative 4 times n minus 1 plus 30. Again, distribute, so negative 4n plus 4 plus 30, and again combine like terms, so negative 4n plus 34. So here would be my rule. And again, the second part is to use that rule to find the 19th term. So a to the 19, I'm just going to sub 19 in for n. And then in your calculator, if you do negative 4 times 19 plus 34, you get negative 42. So in this sequence, that would be my 19th term.